Another interesting logic is a pass. If you click and drag a pass here, you can create a pass for animating object into your desired pass. If you click in its settings, it's affected all asset. It means character also and all asset if you want. If you want to just affect the character, it means if the character reach to this radius, you can create the paths that you create. For creating paths, you have to click on this plus and you can change the direction, click, and you can create a path. Okay, that is your path that you created. If this, for example, airplane go to this area, the search area, it's go automatically in this path. And if the character jump and reach to the path, of course the character goes in this path. So you can create any animation. If you click on this, you can change the overall path. If you click on any of this button, you can change them or add a point between them, or you can delete it. So we selected first setting that you learn is a search radius. If you want to make it 100, as you can see, it became bigger. And if you jump, you can make sure that you are in this radius, and it will be attract the character and go this direction. Also that airplane. First, I want to explain this airplane. Plate. As you can see, the airplane go to that direction. I want to make it smaller. Clicking to delete that line. I think this line is enough. Make airplane smaller, and I think add a point there because I want to see. Another setting is the speed. As you saw before, it's very high. You can make it 5 and repeat again. Preview. As you can see, the airplane goes exactly to that path that you created. Double the speed. As you saw before, if you want to move this airplane in a smooth direction or a smooth path, for example, acting like this instead of doing zigzag mode, something called, if you select that, something called is in settings attraction force. Imagine that this line or path has an attraction, has a gravity that keeps the object exactly in this path if this number is very too high. If you reduce this number to, for example, 10, it smoothly follow the path and you have a smooth movement instead of the very solid and bad movement. So as you can see, we have a more smooth movement. And after that, it goes its way. I bring it up above everything. Okay, it goes here and it releases the object and it goes in this direction. And of course, you can use the character. If I jump, as you can see, the character goes exactly that direction with the speed and the thing that you specified. Another make it double the speed. Another setting is keep velocity. Keep velocity means if the character goes here, exactly release it in this direction. But if you untick the keep velocity, the character fall down exactly in this way. Okay, it keeps its velocity in this direction, and if you untick that, it releases exactly in this position. J to jump. As you can see, it's released exactly there, not in velocity direction. Image direction, it is interesting. Sometimes it's useful, for character is not good. It keeps the direction of the For example, as you can see, jump. For keep duration, I select this. Make it you have to active keep velocity first, because we need to keep velocity. As you can see, it's rotate the airplane and it's released the direction, because we active the image direction. If you untick that, it does not change the rotation of the airplane. As you can see, sometimes it's useful, sometimes not. For this option is working, you have to active keep velocity. The play mode is very important. Play once, single, it goes single in the pass and then finish. If you go into the loop, it goes here and then suddenly jump in the first of the line again. Suddenly jump at the first. Loop. And the ping pong go first, reach the end and go back. It's a ping pong mode. And let's go back. Okay. If you want just the character or a specific character object, you can make an asset and select the name plane. Okay. And I want to just affected asset is plane. Oh my god, we have a lots of plane. And if my character jump, it does not affect the character. Sometimes you don't need to be character and just you want to affect exactly this object or a specific object. If you want to affect all objects, you can select it all. Okay, this is unpassed. You can use it in any other ideas. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.